Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Shiera and my student ID number is 23115210008. And today I will talk about administration. What is administration? Administration refers to the process of managing and organizing tasks, resources, and people within an organization to achieve specific goals or objectives. It involves various activities such as planning, organizing, coordinating, directing, and controlling resources to accomplish a task effectively and efficiently. Administration can encompass a wide range of functions depending on the context, including human resource management, financial management, operation management, and general oversight of organizational activities. Administrators often work to establish policies, procedures, and systems to ensure smooth operation and to facilitate decision making within the organization. In administration, there's a record. Record refers to a documented piece of information that is systematically stored for future reference or use. Records typically contain data or information related to various aspects of an organization's operations, activities, transactions, or interactions. Inside the record, you might find information. This includes the actual content or details stored within the data fields. Data fields are individual pieces of information that make up the record. For instance, any employee record mentioned above the information will be the specific employee's name, ID, position, etc. And here's the question. First question is, which field is a good primary key? More than one answer might be possible. One is database table holding details of a club's member. The field headings are given name, family name, email address, membership number, address, and mobile number. And the second one is a database table with details of products that a company holds in stock. The field headings are product name, product price, number of units, and barcode. And the third is a database table of patients in a hospital. The field headings are family name, given name, date of entry to the hospital, bed number, case number, and national identity card number. And the second question is what tables, fields, and primary keys that you could use for records in database in this case. First is a dentist database of patient. Second is language schools database of students. Third, a travel agents database of airline tickets. And fourth is a database in an online multiplayer game in which players can stop and restart their games whenever they want. And I will answer this question. The answer for question 1 is which field could serve as a good primary key. For the first is database table holding details of a club's members. For given name, not suitable as a primary key because multiple members could have the same given name. And for the family name, similar to given name, it's not unique and could have duplicates. For email address, while it's likely to be unique or for each member, it might not be ideal as it could change over time or a member might not have an email address. For the membership number, this field seems promising as it's specifically assigned to each member and is likely to be unique. And for address, not suitable as a primary key since multiple members could have the same address. And for the mobile number, similar to email address, it might not be ideal due to potential change or members not having a mobile number. And the second one is database table with details of products. For product name, not suitable as multiple products could have the same name. For the product price, product could have the same price, so it's not unique. For number of units, not unique as multiple products could have the same number of units. And for the barcode, this field is promising as it's typically unique for each product and can efficiently identify it. And the third is database table of patient in a hospital. For family name, similar to given name, it's not unique and could have duplicates. And for given name, not unique as multiple patients could have the same given name. And for days of entry to the hospital, not unique as a multiple patient could enter the hospital on the same date. For bed number, this field is not ideal as patients may share the same bed number if they are admitted at different times. For case number, potentially unique, but it depends on how it's generated and managed. For national identity card number, this field seems promising as it's typically unique for each patient and is used for identification purpose. Based on the analysis, the potential good primary key are for the first database is membership number could be a good primary key since it's likely to be unique for each member. For the second database is barcode could be a good primary key as its product typically has a unique barcode. And for the third database is national identity card number could be a good primary key if it uniquely identifies each patient. And the answer of question 2 for the dentist database of patients, it includes tables, is patients. For the fields is given name, family name, email address, mobile number, and date of birth, last appointment date, medical history. And for the primary key is patient ID. It's generated a unique identifier. For the language schools database of students, for the table is students. For the fields is given name, family name, email address, mobile number, date of birth, course enrolled, level, payment status, and for the primary key is student ID. For the travel agents of database of Atlanticas, for the table is tickets, and for the fields is passenger name, flight number, departure airport, destination airport, departure date or time, seat number, and ticket price. For the primary key is ticket ID, and the fourth one is database in an online multiplayer game. For the table is player, and the fields is player name, email address, avatar, a level, experience point, coins item collected. And for the primary key is player ID. And that's all from me. That's about the administration. Sorry for my poor English, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.